Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another Tajweed tip. If this is your first time, please subscribe and share. Jazakumullahu khairan. In this Tajweed tip, we're going to learn about the difference between Shiddah and Jahr. What is Shiddah? What is Jahr? They are two qualities you need to learn when you learn Tajweed. Before we define them, you need to understand the way sounds are made. When we produce the sounds are made of airflow, and then because of the meeting of two organs, then you have a sound. When you say, for example, F, if you listen to yourself, the air is flowing, and then at the same time, because of the meeting of the organs, the upper teeth with the lower lip, then you are hearing something. That's the sound. So you have airflow and you have the sound. Now let's go back again to Shiddah and Jahr. The difference between Shiddah and Jahr is actually related to the sound and airflow. For the Shiddah, there is a total blockage, total stopping of sound. While in Jahr, there is a total blockage, total stopping of airflow. Now, Shiddah, yes, it is concerned about the total blockage of sound, but in the Shiddah letters, there might be some sounds that allow the airflow to continue. In Jahr, there are some sounds that allow the sound to continue, because the main concern of Jahr is not to block the sounds, it is only to block the airflow. Let's get some examples. We're going to start with the Shiddah sounds. Shiddah sounds, remember, the blockage of sound. Let's exaggerate the production of the sound qaf. Now, when we make sounds, we're going to put a hamza and then put a sukun over the qaf. It becomes like this. Aqu. Now, let's exaggerate in the middle so you can see the blockage of sound. Aq. If you hear yourself, there is no sound produced. Now, you can do the same thing with the ba. Ab. Now, this is why we do vibration, because we don't want to cut this sound from the middle. This is why we say ab, aqu. Did we mention any Shiddah sound that blocks the sound but allows the airflow? There are two sounds here, the kaf and the ta. Ak. At, ak, at. You hear that after the blockage of sound, there is a sudden release of air. Now, the last point in this list are the sounds that allow for both air and sound. That means these sounds are not Shiddah sounds, nor they are Jahr sounds. They are the opposite. Examples of these sounds: ath. If you say ath, the air flows and the sound flows. Ath. Akh. With the kha, the air flows and the sound continues. As. As. With the sad, the air flows and the sound flows. So remember, Shiddah is about blocking the sound. It doesn't matter if the airflow continues. Jahr is about blocking the air. It doesn't matter if the sound continues. If there is a blockage of air and sound, then those sounds are strong because they have the Shiddah and Jahr together. These are the qalqalah sounds. We're going to talk about them inshallah in a separate video. Jazakumullahu khairan. I'll see you in the next Tajweed tip.